Good morning, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sheya Shakira, or you can call me Sheya. It doesn't matter to me, girl, at all. Y'all, comparison is the thief of joy. It really is. I found myself, and I don't do a lot of doom scrolling anymore. I've actually cut myself off from social media in general. Like, I deleted Instagram, I deleted TikTok. I'm thinking about getting back on Instagram and posting, like, for my business and everything. The Soft Space, which y'all know. Well, if you don't know, I'm the founder of The Soft Space. I'm a licensed esthetician. Anyways, what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, like, this storage thing, being a content creator, is crazy. Like, every other day I'm fighting for storage. Oh my god. Anyways, y'all, but what I was saying was, I'm a licensed esthetician. I currently don't have a suite. I'm actually a virtual esthetician. I offer what I like to call skin strategy sessions, and those are basically a virtual consultation where we go over your lifestyle, your skincare goals, what's been working, what's not working. Just a literal conversation about all things skin, all things lifestyle, stress, all of these things play into your skincare. A lot of people don't realize that, but it does. It does matter a lot. So we go over everything in depth. I'm saying we, but it's literally just me. I build for you a action plan where you then have a starting point and have some direction as to where you might want to go in your skincare journey. I give you product recommendations, and yeah, so I offer those sessions right now. I'm breaking out, like, I don't understand. Anyways, but I also offer my soft skin blueprint, which is if you are wanting to understand your skin more and learn how to build a sustainable routine that you can actually stick to and be consistent in, you're gonna want that blueprint, girly. It comes with so many good things. I don't even want to call it a guide, because I put so much thought into it. So much of my heart is in there. It's not meant to be rushed through. It's not this just PDF ebook that you know, just download and then you're lost after. Nope. This blueprint is really gonna help you understand your skin. It's gonna help you understand ingredients. I even have some routines in there that you can try out, whether that be going to Ulta or Sephora or your nearest grocery store, depending on your budget. I offer product recommendations from the brand that I work with, that is a professional skincare brand. Glymed Plus is who I'm working with on those. I've curated bundles for you in there that are literally for multiple different skin types. It comes with a 30-day intentional skin journey journal, which I'm going to be making a video about that later this week to do my weekly skin check-in. And yeah, it comes with so much. It is not just a skincare guide whatsoever. I'm just so excited that I was able to launch that for you guys and actually follow through and have something in this world that is going to actually help someone, because I'm gonna keep saying it, but I put my heart into that blueprint, and whether one person buy it or 10 people buy it or 10,000 people buy it, I know the value that it has. And yeah, so that's what I'm currently offering as a licensed esthetician. Oh, I forgot one thing. My soft reset experience is also available. That is a skincare coaching method that I'm trying out. I right now only have 10 spots available for that, and for that experience per se, you do have to apply to make sure that we are on the same page. You are ready to invest into your skincare journey. The soft reset experience is something that is for the women who are ready to invest, who are ready to have a licensed esthetician in their back pocket. They're wanting accountability. They're wanting more than just product recommendations. They're wanting someone to quite literally walk with them in their skincare journey. And yeah, so the soft reset experience, again, it is only 10 spots available for that. And I'm just so excited, you guys, because it took me so long to actually get this up and running. And so I'm so excited to be able to supply this for you guys, because I know some people do just want products and they know what they're doing, and that's fine, that's perfect. But some people actually want someone to walk with them in their skincare journey, and I would love to be that person. So yeah, you guys. I'm not sure what we're doing today. I'm probably gonna make this a little vlog for the day. I'm rambling, and yeah, it's time to go, so let's go. Okay, y'all, I had to pop back on here because I just found something out that honestly just blew my mind. Hold on, because what? Y'all, have y'all ever heard that song? Don't mind my nails, I'm redoing them today. But have y'all ever heard that song? It's by an artist named Joy Rhodes, and she has a song called Supposed To, I Love Me, I think she has another one like Pray For Me. She's AI. She is AI. She is AI, y'all. and I can't even believe it. I'm hurt. Like, sorry, y'all. It's a funeral. But anyways, y'all, I guess it don't really matter for real, because music is music, but I just can't believe that she's AI. Like, she's not a real person. She is not a real person. My boyfriend just told me this, and I'm baffled. I'm honestly baffled by the fact that she's not a real person. Anyways, but we are about to head to the library, and then we're gonna go to Target and Aldi's. So that's what we're doing today. I'm probably gonna go on a walk. I don't really know what else I'm gonna be doing, but yeah, you guys, I will catch up with you in a bit. Okay, y'all, I basically just wanted to pop on and tell you guys what I was doing. I built a headquarters for myself and wanted a space where I could just look at everything. So I have my current offers here, my blueprint, the skin strategy session, and my soft reset experience. I have some important links, my stand store forms, Calendly, my client journey as well, literally going through each step that my client would go through and what I need to do in each step as well. I have my email templates, which I haven't filled out everything quite yet, but this is imperative when you have a business, especially as a virtual esthetician. But yeah, here I'm showing that I built a template for my clients that I'm really gonna need as a space to have everything that I need when I'm on my sessions. So I just felt so accomplished when I did this. Like, I literally made a whole database, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, that's basically what I was doing here. Okay, girly pops. I was supposed to leave the library way earlier. I was supposed to be going to Target and Aldi's, but did not do that. So I'm gonna do that now. But first, I have to go get my mom. And then we're gonna go to Target and Aldi's. So yeah, y'all, I am just so excited for basically when my clients start finding me, because right now I'm basically just preparing for my clients. Like, I'm literally building systems right now, you guys. Like, that is amazing to me, because a lot of people just show like a lot of people just show the cute part. They just show, oh, when all the clients come, when, you know, the money is good, and all of the cutesy stuff that comes with being a business owner. But nobody shows the back end, like literally having to build systems that are going to help you not want to freaking pull your hair out when you do get all those clients that you're praying for. Like, I'm using ChatGPT for a lot of things that I'm doing, because if you know how to use chat, it can be an amazing tool for you. I don't recommend using it for every little thing that you need, but as a tool, as a helping hand, baby, yeah. So anyways, I was using chat to literally walk me through how to set up my Notion as like a headquarters, if you will. Like, literally, I just learned in a matter of an hour or two how to build a database inside of Notion, how to basically make a template. So I use my mom as my first client, and I built a whole page, like, as my client template. Like, so when someone does book a skin session, that is really a tongue twister, y'all. Skin strategy session with me. All I have to do is go into Notion, click my client database, build a new template. Or not build a new template, but click template. It has all the questions I need to fill out regarding my client. Everything is right there, ready to go. Like, I'm just so happy I'm doing this now, and that I didn't wait until literally I have 10 plus clients waiting on me to book their consultation. Like, I'm just so excited, and I'm gonna show you guys a little more of it later, because I want to like make it pretty. And you know, I even added some stuff in there that chat didn't even, you know, recommend, but I wanted to put on there. So that's the thing. When you're using ChatGPT, you don't have to do everything that it tells you to do. It's a good guide, but you don't have to do exactly what it says. I mean, it doesn't tell you what to do. So, yeah. I'm just so excited, and I love this. I love that I'm bringing you guys along on the back end of my business, and not just, selling. I'm actually bringing you guys along. So I don't know if any estheticians follow me, but this could be helpful for them. This is helpful for people that are, this is like crooked. This is helpful for people that are building their own business. Like, Notion is a game changer, period. I don't care what nobody say. Your whole life can live inside of Notion if you do it right. If you know and ask for help and really like learn how to build different things in Notion, baby, it can be an amazing help for you. And I'm already seeing that right now. Like, I feel so much better now that, yeah, I have everything just mapped out, and I don't have all of my pages and all of my databases built out, but I'm getting somewhere, and I'm really just over the moon, okay? I'm just so happy that I'm doing this right now, and it feels so good to get my life organized, because for a while, I think I told you guys in the last video or the video before that I have them right here. Luckily, I'm at a red light, but all of these notebooks contains just business goals and skincare notes, and it's a lot. Like, it's really a lot. And I'm by Saturday or by early next week, I plan to empty out those notebooks and not even need them anymore, because I'm gonna have everything on Notion. Period. Like, so that was one of my biggest goals this week, besides launching my blueprint and building my stand store. My other biggest goal this week, or task this week, was to organize my life and organize my business before I get all of these clients that I'm praying for. Literally, I'm gonna have some structure in my mind. Like, say 10 people booked me for a session tonight. Baby, I wouldn't know what to do. I would just be overwhelmed. And I mean, I would still be able to help them, but I would just feel super overwhelmed, because I'm gonna be in a Google Doc trying to write this and write that and add these notes over here and take notes on my paper, on my notebook. And no. Everything is living in Notion. Notion, I really hope y'all sponsor me one day. I'm speaking into an existence. They will sponsor me, period. Because one day I want to build so many things in Notion now. Like, I'm so excited. I love Notion. That's all. I will catch up with y'all when we're at Target or Aldi. I don't know where we're going first, but yeah. Know what I came for. Shirley Temple.
This is the pop.
Oh.
This is the energy drink.
I don't know which one I'm gonna get, but Pear Scare. They got a whole bunch of different ones. Peach gum. Oh, so these are just pop. They're not the energy drink. Root beer float. These are probably good. Okay, you guys, I have officially made it home, and I just wanted to close out the vlog for today. It's about 5 o'clock and I'm hungry. I'm probably gonna make me something to eat. I also want to do, or try to do, not try to do, but I've never really done one before, but I've been trying to get into calisthenics workouts, so I'm gonna do that tonight and see how that goes, and I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes tomorrow in tomorrow's daily vlog or diary entry, whatever y'all want to call these. I have no idea. I'm just posting every day to make sure I show up for my challenge. I have honestly lost track of what day I'm on. Let me see, actually. Let me see. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today is day 18, y'all. What? So yeah, I'm really not doing much of anything else for the rest of the day, so that's why I'm just deciding to close this video out now. So yeah, y'all, let's pull a gratitude card, because you have to be grateful for where you are now. You have to. Even though things don't look like how you want them to look, hey, it's all right. So let's pull it. Let's see. So this is the one we got. And I love it. Pause, nourish, and glow. It says, think of one obstacle you overcame. What gratitude do you feel looking back? Think of one obstacle you overcame. What gratitude do you feel looking back? That's good. That's good. Obstacle I overcame. I'm gonna say today. Literally today, I started off when I got inside of the library. I was like, yeah, I don't know about Notion. This is like really super confusing. I don't even know where to start. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I just want to be organized, this and that. Just complaining, really, and I'm really trying to stop that. But I literally just put in chat exactly what I saw in Notion and was like, look, I need help. I need step-by-step guide. I need help getting from this confusion to clarity, to figure out how I can make my systems as a virtual esthetician easier. And I did, y'all. Like, I'm about to show y'all actually right now, which is crazy because I was gonna show y'all anyway. But let me just show you guys. Hold on. Okay, y'all. This is my iPad. Oh, my bad, y'all. We'll go into Notion. And look, I literally built this from scratch, y'all. Like, so I made my whole headquarters. So yes, I actually built this part yesterday, and I just made it so that everything is easily for me to get to. So I have my current offers, current goals, important links. So I literally can go directly to my stand store from here. This is my stand store after I actually log in. This is what it would look like on you guys' end. which I love. It looks so cute, so clean. So yeah. But I can go straight to my forms. Yep. And then I can go to my Calendly links. Straight there. And yeah. Excuse me. I have my weekly priorities, my client journey, email templates, and this client database. That is actually what I built today. So I learned how to, I made my mom the test page, and I got, so this is all that I would need if a client books a session with me, and it's just so neat and ready to go. I kind of want to add some more things, but this is a perfect way to start. And yeah, I literally made that into a template, so this is the same thing, but what I would do is change that obviously to my client's name, and this whole section would be about my client. So yeah, you guys, that is what I've been doing today. I love it. Isn't it so cute? So yeah, y'all, that is one obstacle that I overcame, and I feel, it says, what gratitude do you feel looking back? I feel gratitude towards the fact that I pushed through and didn't give up. I just did it. I just literally, what did I say in my last video? Take a step over that doubt into faith. So yeah, y'all, drop in the comments something that you overcame, and what gratitude do you feel towards it. So yeah, you guys, I love y'all. I am gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow for day 19, period. And yeah, so until next time, bye.